Well, we're getting hit a little bit with the nor'eastern. Ken said that it's going to be, what, 2 or 3 inches an hour? Ah. Sigh. I'm ready for spring, dang it. Anyway, what are you going to do? We just wanted to top off the gas tank in case we needed it, because we're kind of low on gas on this car, and then we'll be ready. Let it snow. I just finished my physical therapy appointment, thank goodness, and Cuomo said he's done a state of emergency for 44 counties. Mm-hmm. The weather people said that we're supposed to get like a foot of snow. He said 2 or 3 inches an hour. He said, go home, stay home, don't go out unless it's an emergency.
Yep.
So there you go.
There you go.
We got to go.
We got to go.
So let's go. Let's go. We got gas, and I had my appointment today. I'm lucky that I got it because it's starting to pick up. And I guess we'll just hunker down. Hunker down, honey.
Hunker down.
I do like the big snow like this. The big snowflakes. It is pretty. But 2 to 3 inches an hour, if it stalls, I don't know. That's a lot of snow. Oh, I'm ready for spring. I truly am. Got a lot of snow, and we're not done yet. I guess it's supposed to snow on and off till Wednesday, and we have a winter advisory until 7 p.m. tonight. So this is what we woke up to this morning. The snow is as high as the porch, so that's 3 feet. The snow is as high as our deck here, about 3 feet. Ken's getting the skid steer out. He's gonna plow our driveway. And then he's such a good neighbor. He's going to go around the neighborhood and plow everybody's driveway so they can get out. It's beautiful today. This is the first real sunny day we've had in like a week. We're going to go to an Amish family. They make beehives, but first we need to go to the bank because we need to get some money. I didn't do any filming because I wanted to respect them, but it's called Rocky Ridge Supplies, and he's going to custom make us 2 hives, and we'll pick them up at the end of March. So we did all of our business. You guys, there's a horse-drawn wagon. That's old-timey, huh? All the snowmobilers are out. So we left the Amish farmer.
Use the left lane to keep left.
Now we're headed to the business that sells the bees. So we need to go there and place our order for bees for beginning of April. I'm so excited. We've wanted bees for a long time. Over the last 4 years, we've put flower beds in, 1 new flower bed every year in preparation. So this is exciting. Exciting. Look at that church. It's pretty. We're in Little Falls, New York right now. It's a cute little town, you know? I wonder what the industry is here. I don't know. We're headed north of Little Falls now, and it seems like it's a lot of farmland. It's just beautiful. Big farms. I bet it would be pretty in the summer. Oh, there's some more snowmobilers out today. Such a pretty day. We're here at Ford's Honey Farm, and they got us all set up for, she said, like the middle of May. We'll bring our hives over, and they'll actually transfer it for us. So we'll just figure it out, I guess. As soon as we get our hives, we'll bring them over here, and they'll transfer it, and then we'll pick them up the middle of May. Awesome. Basically, what she was saying was, once we get our hives from the Amish builder, which will be like the first part of April, we bring the hives over to them, to Ford's Bees, and then they set up the hive, and it's just like a, you know, they babysit the hive for like 6 weeks just to get everything up and going, and then we come and pick up the hives, and they're already making honey and all that kind of stuff. So I thought that was really cool, because we're novices at this, and I think having their help like that is just going to be wonderful. Now that's the Mohawk River, huh? Yep. Beautiful. We're back at the car wash. But Ken does a good job. He keeps all of the grime and the salt off the cars, and it really helps prevent, you know, a lot of damage, a lot of rust and stuff like that. He has the under coatings on some of the cars that helps too. The car is nice and clean. We're at stopped by the investment house, and we were just driving by, so we stopped by for a minute, but look how much work they've gotten done. It's amazing. They got the bedroom almost done, and it's just really, it's taking shape. I guess they're going to start mudding this afternoon. They said they'll be ready to start mudding, taping and mudding. But we just were actually driving right by, and so we stopped to say hey. But it's looking good. You know what I just thought of? You're cooking dinner tonight. But I'll help you. I'll help you. We can team up on it. We're back in town, and got to get dinner going. Ken's cooking some burgers. I'm going to do some fried zucchini for dinner. Tonight for dinner, we're cooking cheeseburgers. Well, actually, Ken's cooking because it's grill night. And some fried zucchini with ranch dressing. Ken is going to grill some cheeseburgers tonight, so I went ahead and I got lettuce and onion and some tomatoes prepped. I'll prep this avocado just at the very end, but I'm also going to do some fried zucchini. I haven't made this for a long time, and I'm kind of excited. I made some ranch dressing just per the instructions. I'm going to cut the zucchini into spears, because that's how Athenians, a restaurant that was an old hangout for Ken in high school, that's how they do theirs. So I'm going to cut them into spears and take them over to the breading station and get them breaded. So it's just a standard dredging station. I have a cup of flour with a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper. I have a couple eggs. I added a tablespoon of water and just whipped them up. And I have a couple cups of breadcrumbs to 1 cup Parmesan cheese. So let's just get this process going First I put it into the flour, then into the egg wash, then into the breadcrumbs, and then I'm just going to put them on a tray over here. All right, we'll just continue with the process. I got the oil heating up. A quick way to test it is just to put a wooden spoon in there, and if it kind of starts sizzling around the wood, pretty much guaranteed that the oil is hot enough to fry. So I'm just going to put in a few of the zucchinis at a time. Fry them until they're golden brown. The zucchini looks pretty well done, nice and golden. Let me get it turned out onto a rack so all the grease can drip off. Season with salt. Serve with the ranch dressing. We're just gonna taste test, air quotes, the zucchini. Make sure we're doing it right. It tastes like Athenians.
Does it?
Yep. Oh my goodness. We have at least a foot of snow from 18 inches maybe. But that's not going to stop this man from barbecuing. You're like the postmaster. Sleet, rain, snow, it's not going to stop you.
Yep.
What temperature you have it set at? So what temp did you cook these?
650.
650. Woo. All right, we're ready to get our plates together. All right, here's what my plate looks like. I have a little bit of everything on my burger. Lettuce, red onion, tomato, a little bit of avocado, and the secret sauce. Yum, yum. I'll put the exact measurements down in the description box for you, but just real easy. Real simple. You know what? You cook these burgers just perfect.
I know.
They're cooked really good on the outside and just barely pink on the inside. Thank you guys for spending the day with us. The more you thank life, the more life gives you to be thankful for. See you in the next video.